G'day guys, welcome to Ian's Wonderful World of Bees. You might be wondering, this is a little bit early. Bees have only been in the winter lockdown for 2 months. Well, I've had a couple of warm days. It's now the 3rd of August, so I've still got another month to go before winter's officially over. All the silver wattle are in flower. I'll shoot you off a video of those if I get a good one. The bees are out and about today in big numbers. Really happy about that. What I'll do is I'll put a link up here for the close down of the winterizing of my bees if you want to go back and take a look at that before you look at today's little episode. Wasn't paying attention. Start again. Now you'll hear it's very windy here today, but just down where the hives are, it's well protected, so it's not very windy down here. Most of it's going across the top. Okay, let's get my gloves on, get hooded up, head down, take a look, see where we're at. Come along. Okay, so if you haven't looked back at the other video, I might go through a little bit while I'm here, but the other winterizing my hives is a good one to look at to see where they were 2 months ago. Let's crack her open. I did come back through and put a board on. Now there's a lot of moisture here. Come in and take a look at this. So there's a lot of moisture around here. Also up this top end. The lid, yeah, a little bit brown there, but the lid looks pretty good. Alright, so let's take her off and have a look. The beetle trap went in clean. Oh, we got 2 beetles. You ripper. That's not bad for 2 months' work. Okay, so we should have nothing in these end ones. Yep, totally clean. I'll start with the ends, then I'm not disturbing the brood too much. There should be another clean one, yep. Not expecting any cones to be drawn out over winter. Man, that's dry. What's there? Bit of honey there. Look at that top corner here. The rest is dry, and that was full of nectar when I packed her up. Full of uncapped nectar, I should say. Bit of honey there is good to see. So we've still got a bit of honey here. And like this. Check that out. My queen's been laying. Here, little ripper. A little bit of honey there and more brood. Absolutely fantastic. Look at all that honey. Oh, they've got heaps of stores. Mind you, like I said, they have taken away all their nectar. And look, there's more. More capped honey. That's dry. Putting that back on. So moisture, what do you reckon? Should I open up the bottom? Let's take the tray out and take a look at the tray. So there's the tray, a bit of pollen on there. Oh, there's brown stuff. Everything okay. Give that a scrape off just over here. There's a little bit of moisture on there too. I might actually ventilate this a little bit. So I'll put that in and leave it a couple of inches open. Alright, let's go into this baby. Come in a bit. A little bit of moisture, not as bad as the other one. I shouldn't say the other one was bad, it wasn't overly bad. Certainly hive number 2, the previous one I've just done, did have less bees in it. Okay, now this hive had quite a few hive beetles. Now you can see here I've got 2 cockroaches. I know I had 3 cockroaches, 1 mite. Pretty good. Let's check out the other one. Zippity doo-dah. Come and take a look at this mob. I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5.5. So I reckon they're looking at about the same level as they were when they went in. I doubt they've calmed down at all. They'll be a little bit calmer today, but these guys are a nasty piece of work. And I doubt the queens reproduce the hive over winter, that's for sure. Oh yeah, they're getting fired up. Oh, look at all that capped honey. Here I am wondering. I wonder if they're starving to death. Heap of honey, both sides. Hey, you girls rocking. All right. Tell me, what's this? What's this little creature here? And there's another one up here. Almost looks like a poo trail. There's Mrs. Queen, looking happy. You see her in there? There she is right there. Yellow dot. You ripper. Put her back. Okay, I just want to look, see if I've got any brood in this guy or new larvae. There's no brood. That's not unusual. They can stop over winter, but the other one, which is my naturally superseded queen, is laying eggs compared to this girl for nothing. Isn't that interesting? It almost makes you wonder that the queen is feral, local to this area, because I got her out of a nest box and she superseded. She might be suited to the climatic conditions here. Alright, I've got to get these guys locked up. I've seen enough. They're looking okay. Heaps of food. Heaps and heaps of food. Moisture's pretty good in that one. I'll clean out the tray while I'm here. Looks pretty good. And I'll just leave them open a couple of inches too. Just a little bit of airing. That's it, guys. I'm closing them up for another month, I reckon. We'll see how the weather goes. Catch you on the next one.